3-minute flicks. Entertaining, educating, and enlightening.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to delve into the fascinating and often turbulent history of Israel. The story of Israel is a complex one, marked by centuries of struggle, conflict, and resolution. In this video, we'll explore the key milestones that have shaped Israel's current status, including its foundation, regional conflicts, and peace efforts. To understand Israel's history, we need to go back thousands of years. The region now known as Israel has deep historical and religious significance for Jews, Christians, and Muslims. It's the birthplace of Judaism, the location of many biblical events, and a center of early Christianity and Islam. Fast forwarding to the late 19th century, we encounter the Zionist movement. This was a Jewish nationalist movement that emerged in response to growing anti-Semitism in Europe. Zionists advocated for a Jewish homeland in Palestine, then under Ottoman rule. World War I brought significant changes to the region. In 1917, the Balfour Declaration, issued by the British government, expressed support for a national home for the Jewish people in Palestine. After the war, the League of Nations granted Britain a mandate to govern Palestine. The Zionist movement intensified, leading to tensions with the Arab population, who also had aspirations for self-determination. These tensions resulted in sporadic conflicts during the British Mandate period, which lasted until 1948. In 1947, the United Nations passed a resolution to partition Palestine into separate Jewish and Arab states, with Jerusalem as an international city. The Jewish leadership accepted this plan, while the Arab nations rejected it. On May 14, 1948, Israel declared its independence. The Declaration of Israel's independence led to the Arab-Israeli War of 1948, also known as the War of Independence. This conflict set the stage for decades of hostilities between Israel and its Arab neighbors. Jumping ahead to 1967, another pivotal conflict occurred. The Six-Day War resulted in Israel's occupation of the West Bank, East Jerusalem, the Gaza Strip, and the Golan Heights, territories that have been at the heart of the Israeli-Palestinian conflict ever since. In the following decades, multiple attempts at peace negotiations took place, including the Camp David Accords, the Oslo Accords, and the Annapolis Conference. These talks sought to address issues like borders, refugees, and the status of Jerusalem. Today, Israel is a thriving nation with a diverse society, a dynamic economy, and advanced technology. However, it continues to grapple with challenges, including the Israeli-Palestinian conflict, security concerns, and international relations. While the history of Israel is filled with conflicts and complexities, it's essential to remember that there's always hope for a better future. Many individuals and groups continue to work towards peace, coexistence, and a resolution to the long-standing issues in the region. Israel's history is a tapestry of religious, political, and cultural threads that have come together to create a unique and complex nation. We hope this video has given you a glimpse into the historical context that has shaped the current conflict in Israel.
3-minute flicks. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We create new videos weekly.